Hi, it's Marieta. Thanks for tuning in. In this video, I want to talk about what can we expect regarding the immigration reform, the US Citizenship Act of 2021, and impact on EB5 green card, as well as E2 visa. Stay tuned. Coming up. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Make sure to subscribe, hit that bell notification so you are receiving new content. And let's get started. Today I want to discuss the impact of proposed immigration reform, the US Citizenship Act of 2021, on EB5 program, which is the investor visa program. As well, briefly, I want to talk about E2 visa investors. So, to just give you the overview, EB5 program is basically the investor visa program, but it is actually the green card through investment. The minimum requirement is to invest $900,000 if it's indirect, or if it's into targeted employment areas or areas with high unemployment rate. In other words, also rural areas under 20,000 in population. Or you are investing directly into your business, and in that case the investment must be at least 1.8 million. Now that is EB5 green card. EB5 green card is for anybody, so there is no treaty country. With E2 visa there is a treaty country, so you need to be coming from a treaty country, and typically there are no backlogs. Also, E2 visa, typically the investment is anywhere from $50,000 to $500,000, right? Now, it is non-immigrant visa type, so this is not leading to a green card. So this is just a distinction for those who don't understand their main requirement. And if you want to learn more, you can find useful free training below this video. Now, let's talk about that proposed immigration reform, the US Citizenship Act of 2021, and the impact that it potentially can have on EB5 program. So, in the text, we don't really see any changes when it comes to EB5 program itself. So that being said, the investment will stay the same. Sometimes people ask me if the investment requirement is going back to $500,000, how it used to be. Not really. I don't see any changes like that. So there will be no impact on that investment requirement itself. However, the impact we can see, obviously, if the reform will pass, is specifically concerning the wait time. Okay, so the wait time, EB5 wait time. There are many investors from countries such as China or India who are waiting for their green cards. Once the USCIS approves their petition, if they are within the United States and they are waiting for their green card, or if they are going through the consular processing, they're waiting because of these significant backlogs that these countries are experiencing. So what can we see? Number one changes is going to be the wait time. So the wait time is going to shorten based on that immigration proposal. And as well as we can see that per country quota will be removed. So this is significant for many EB5 applicants, because if you are coming from those countries who are actually impacted by these significant backlogs, you know how big deal this will be for you. And because part of the reform is actually clearing the employment-based visa backlogs, as well recapturing unused visas from previous year and eliminating per country visa cap, this will significantly impact the EB5 program as well. So what we can see is that clearing of the EB5 visa backlog, and as well remove dependence from the quota. So right now the quota is 10,000 visas per year, EB5 green cards, if you will. So when I use the term visa, it means immigrant visa, in other words, green card. So 10,000 per year. And what is proposed, part of the proposal, is to remove dependence from this quota. Right now, if you are immigrating with your dependents, with your spouse and with your kids, they are part of the quota, 10,000 green cards. So the proposal is talking about removing dependent and spouses from the quota. Also, the proposal is talking about removing per country cap, EB5 cap. So this is huge, because again, many of the countries that are, for example, India or China, are experiencing significant backlogs, which is actually postponing the immigration of these wealthy individuals. So many of these clients then are asking me, what's the point of even applying for EB5 if I have to wait for years, right? So this will certainly clear this problem, solve this problem, and you will be able to immigrate very quickly or rather quickly to United States with your family as an investor. Now, what if you are somebody who wants to invest less than 900,000? What are my options? So that option number one is E2 visa. However, E2 visa is only for those who are coming from treaty countries. For example, China as well as India are not part of the treaty country. So what can you do instead? Instead, you can consider L visa option for those who have existing businesses. And as far as I know, there are no changes that will be impacting E2 visa program, especially part of the immigration reform. So basically everything will stay as it is right now. There are also other alternative ways for people to obtain a citizenship of different country that is actually part of E2 treaty country. For example, Grenada, you can obtain the citizenship fairly quickly within the 3-4 months, and once you have that passport, then you can apply for your EB5 visa, in other words, green card. Or actually you can apply for E2 if you want to invest less. Obviously you don't need Grenada passport to apply for EB5 program. That's particularly for those who want to apply for E2 visa. Now you can start with E2 visa and then eventually you can upgrade to EB5 green card. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know your comments, your questions. For those who want to book your consultation with me and discuss your case, you can certainly do that. The link to book a call with me is going to be below this video, and stay tuned for my upcoming videos. Have a great day and I talk to you soon. Bye bye.